You're listening to the Coldia Review, your trusted source for insights and history on the Coldia Island, now streaming across the Atlantic network. Today is June 5, 2098. This year marks 103 years since the Great Freeze of 1995, a catastrophic event that defined the resilience of Coldian nations. It's also been more than a century since the
Attention, attention. This is a national emergency broadcast from the Autumnland Disaster Emergency Public Alert System at DEPAS and the NEO-X Emergency Warning System. The Autumnland Meteorological Service ATOMS and the North Coldian Weather Station NCWS have tracked a hypercane in the Atlantic Ocean, designated as Hypercane Nemesis. A hypercane watch is now in effect for the entire Coldian Island, including Autumnland and North Coldia. Residents in all regions are advised to prepare for potential severe weather impacts. Monitor your neural interfaces and connected devices for further instructions. This is not a drill. Please take immediate precautionary measures. Further updates will follow.
This is an emergency update from the Autumnland Disaster Emergency Public Alert System at DEPAS and the NEO-X Emergency Warning System. As of 14:00 hours June 6, 2098, Hypercane Nemesis has intensified to F7 on the Autumnland Tropical Hurricane Scale and NCHS 7 on the North Coldian Hurricane Scale. This represents the highest classification level for a hypercane with catastrophic potential. Expected impacts include sustained winds exceeding 500 kilometers per hour, or 310 mph, extreme rainfall, and storm surges capable of flooding vast coastal areas. Preparations must be finalized immediately. Evacuation orders for low-lying and coastal zones will follow shortly. Residents are advised to prioritize the following actions immediately. Charge and secure all connected devices for emergency updates. Stockpile essential supplies, including water, food, and medical kits. Identify and relocate to designated shelters as directed by local authorities. Monitor emergency broadcasts for further updates. This is not a drill. Hypercane Nemesis is expected to make landfall within the next 24 hours.
This is an emergency alert from the Autumnland Disaster Emergency Public Alert System at DEPAS and the NEO-X Emergency Warning System. Attention all residents of the Coldia Island, including Autumnland and North Coldia. A hypercane warning is now in effect for the entire region as Hypercane Nemesis approaches landfall. Catastrophic conditions are imminent. Sustained winds of 500 kilometers per hour, 310 miles per hour, torrential rainfall, and storm surges exceeding 30 meters, 100 feet, are expected. Widespread devastation is anticipated in coastal and low-lying areas. Residents must evacuate immediately to designated shelters or higher ground. If evacuation is not possible, seek the most secure interior location in your building and prepare for prolonged isolation. Critical actions to take now. Follow evacuation orders from local authorities. Bring emergency supplies, including water, food, medical kits, and communication devices. Ensure all connected devices remain operational for real-time updates. This is a life-threatening situation. Delay in action may result in severe injury or death. Further updates will follow as conditions permit.